Willie from San Jose BMW, and today we're going to be talking about motorcycle ergonomics. Motorcycle ergonomics are one of the most important things to a rider for comfort, for proper control, and proper use of the motorcycle. At San Jose BMW, we were one of the experts in ergonomics and fitting customers to the bike. We have so many resources here and are so skilled at this. We've done things like made special parts for customers or just safely installed aftermarket parts. One of the most common ergonomic changes we make on a motorcycle is bar positioning. On a tubular bar like this bike on the XR, it's really easy to just loosen the triple clamp and adjust the heights, but sometimes a rider might actually want the bars to come back. When you have things like brake controls, throttle cables, and things like that coming to the handlebars, it's really important when making changes to the bars that you know what you're doing and getting the right product. Leg positioning. So you can see on this bike, my knee is slightly bent over 90 degrees. If a foot is moved forward or backwards, it's going to open up or tighten up a knee bend. If the foot's lowered or raised will also. It's super important when moving the foot peg to have the relationship between the shifter or the rear brake to kind of match that so you can still utilize the controls as they're designed. Another common change that we end up doing, talking about rear sets, is the controls for your feet. So obviously we come in many different shapes and sizes, big feet, small feet. It's super important that you take the time to adjust these things properly so when you need them in an emergency, they're there for you. One of the things that separates us here at San Jose BMW from the average motorcycle shop is this machine shop we have in the back. And I can't tell you how many countless hours I've spent with customers dialing in these controls just right. Sometimes it's even custom controls. And we'd love to help you out, get you fitted on a bike properly. If you got questions, comments, concerns, you just want some advice on the bike, please reach out. We're all experts here at San Jose BMW and we'd love to help you.